Tappi is the name of my final project for design methods. Tappi is an abstract event tracker originally designed to track events of free time, but it can really be used to track anything that happens in discrete events. The idea for Tappi is that the user would tap the device whenever they were feeling a distinct moment of free time, and it would light up slightly brighter. The act of tapping, or really doing something intentional, would then bring the attention of the act into conscious recognition. This really went a long way in reclaiming mental free time when I felt like it was so lost during working and learning at home. Another big help that I found while using and developing the prototypes for Tappi was that the qualitative measurement of light brightness helped me feel less anxious about the actual number of times that I've done something in a day. This was intentional in the design from the beginning. I never wanted the user to be able to pull hard numbers out of this event tracker. Sometimes things aren't appropriate to have hard numbers on them, as we've seen with the like button, and I didn't feel like this was appropriate either. For my first prototype Tappi that I created, I used an addressable RGB LED that let the user pick and choose the color of light that they were tracking, depending on the emotion that they felt while they were tracking it. This was super successful, but the button I used was too clicky and not tappy enough for a product called Tappi. So I created a second prototype with mechanical keyboard switches that had a really satisfying tap to them. These switches also had a place to embed an LED so I could unify the assembly. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any addressable LEDs of the right size, so the second prototype was bound to fixed colors. I wish I could share a video of the second prototype with you guys, but something really funky is going on with my buttons, and I think my Teensy, the microcontroller at the heart of this project, may or may not be broken. But I look forward to trying to fix this project up and actually completing it soon.